Welcome everyone to Vested Interest. This is Shane back again for another stock pick of the day. This one will be the last one for the week. It is a short week with Memorial Day being this past Monday. Hopefully you all had a great week, short week at work, and you are winding down, getting ready for the weekend. It is June 2nd. I believe that is wrong. It shows June 1st here, but it's actually June 2nd. We are going to cover Lumen Technologies today. Lumen Technologies, our company was born of the fourth industrial revolution. Lumen is a multinational technology company that enables companies to capitalize on emerging applications and power the fourth industrial revolution, 4IR. This revolution is redefining how we live and work, creating an unprecedented need for an advanced application delivery architecture designed specifically to handle the complex and data-intensive workloads of the next-gen technology and businesses. We integrate network assets, cloud connectivity, security solutions, and voice and collaborative tools into one platform that enables businesses to leverage their data and adopt next-generation technologies. Lumen brings together the talent, experience, infrastructure, and capabilities of CenturyLink, Level 3 and 25 plus other technology companies to create a new kind of company, one designed specifically to address the dynamic data and application needs of the fourth industrial revolution. So this used to be called CenturyLink. Looks like they've merged with a couple other companies here to create this new Lumen Technologies group. If you want to know more about them, check them out at www.lumen.com. And Lumen Technologies is in the communication sector. Ticker is LUMN. At the close of business on June 2nd, it's $11.82. It was down 1.17% on the day. Looks like it might be up a little bit in the after hours. 52-week range, a low of $9.31, a high of $15.41. So it's pretty much in the middle of that 52-week range. Has a market cap of $12.211 billion, so it is a small cap, a beta of 1.02, just about even with the overall market, a little more volatile than the overall market. PE ratio of 5.74, that is extremely low in my opinion. For dividend, it does pay a dividend of $1 on the year, pays out quarterly, and its dividend yield is 8.36. So this even beats current inflation. Really nice dividend yield on this one. I am long. I have about 130 shares of Lumen Technologies, real close to what its current price is. And here, according to Yahoo Finance, they actually have a one-year estimated target price of $10.40. So that's actually lower than where it currently sits. As well as what some other analysts have to say. According to the 7 stock analysts who have taken a look at this, they call it a sell. They look at $11.82 being a little high, maybe looking for additional pullbacks. Here they have a low of $8.08. That would be 31% decline from where it currently sits. And that would be even lower than their 52-week low that we saw on the previous slide that Yahoo Finance had them at $9 and change for their previous low. So they're expecting a new low, 52-week low, an average of 1061, which would still be lower than where it currently sits by about $1 per share. That would be a 10.24% decline. And if it happened to hit their high, then it would be have some upside, 11.08% upside in stock appreciation if it was to hit on the high side. So this one may be one to watch for further pullbacks if you're not already in this. Again, I'm in this right around the current price. I'm not looking to hold, or I'm not looking to sell. I mean, I am going to hold it, and I'm holding for the dividend. Obviously, an 8% return. I'll take an 8% return on my money. Even if in the short term I lose a little bit of purchasing, and if the dividends get reinvested, they'll get reinvested at one of these lower, if it does drop, into one of these lower numbers here. So I'm fine with that. That's fine with me. You do what fits your portfolio. Again, 8% return. I'm fine holding this for the long term. I'm not looking even out over the next year. I believe this company, again, CenturyLink in general, has been around for quite a while. And as they transition to more cloud-based and some of the other technologies that they're pushing out, hopefully this continues to go up in price over the next several years, and it hits the 13 and higher. And that's what I'm looking at. And while I wait, I will happily collect the dividends and reinvest those into the companies. Again, this information was brought to you by stockanalysis.com, not affiliated with them or Yahoo Finance, just where I pulled the information from. Lumen Technologies, guys, let me know what you think about this one. As always, appreciate you stopping by. If you haven't done so already, don't forget to show me some love. Hit that thumbs up button, ring the notification bell, subscribe to the channel, drop a comment down below. Let me know what you think about Lumen Technologies. Let me know what you think about the video. I do personally read and respond to the comments. I'm always interested to read your questions and or opinions. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you're notified whenever I put out future videos. And let me know what you guys think. Again, constructive criticism is welcome as well. If there's some things you don't like about the video, some ththings you don't like about Lumen Technologies, let me know what those are as well. If you have suggestions for stocks for me to cover, let me know those. Drop them down below, and we'll take a look at them. And this is Shane signing off, wishing peace and prosperity to you and yours. And remember, financial security comes to those who take a vested interest. Hey, we'll see you next time, guys. Thanks for stopping by. Really appreciate it. Have a great weekend. I will have another video coming out on Friday. I'm going to cover the dividends paid out for the month of May last month, and we'll wrap up the month of May and put a bow on that one. I'm not a financial advisor. Nothing in this presentation should be considered financial advice. I'm only sharing my opinion and investing journey for educational and entertainment purposes. Investing involves risk. You can lose money. You should never invest any amount you're not comfortable losing. Always do your own research and invest based on your situation, circumstances, and select the criteria, or seek the advice and counsel of a certified financial advisor.